Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fold a paper plane with a locking technique that really flies well, and I'm also going to show you it in action. Let's get started. So first of all, you want to fold it in half, the long way, and try and get it as perfect as you can. If not, no big deal, but just try and get it as straight as possible. Okay, I folded it in half. You want to make the crease really nice, so go over it with your fingernail, or if you have a tool for it, then go over it with that, or a ruler, or really anything. I'm just going to use my fingernail, that's the easiest. And then you're going to unfold it, and you see there's a crease in the middle. You're going to pull down the top corners to be on that crease, and try and make it as symmetrical as possible. That'll help it fly straighter. So you do that, you're gonna fold it down on this part. So, and then use the crease to help line it up. Oops. Okay, so it's gonna look like that, like an envelope, and then you fold this part up just a tiny bit, maybe as for your thumb, maybe. So you're gonna fold that part up, like that, and now it should look like this. And then you unfold that one part, and there should be like a little X right there. And then in the center of the X, you're gonna take this corner and have the tip touch the center of the X. Both of the corners. And now it should look like that. And then you fold this part back up. So now it should look like this. And then you fold it up like that on the crease. Should look like that. And then if you got the wings right and the crease straight, should be all lined up, so you don't have to worry about that. And then this is the good way to fold the wings. You take this and this edge right here, you try and line it up with that. So should look like that, and then you do the same with the other wing. The other wing, it doesn't matter where it is. You just have to line it up with the other wing. Try and line it up as much as possible. And it should look like that. You unfold it. Straighten out the edges, and now I'll teach you how to fly it right and adjust the tips and do that stuff. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to adjust everything. So if you want your paper airplane to go higher, like that, but if you do it too high, it'll just go like this and land. If you do it just right, it'll go like this. But much bigger. No. So, you don't want to throw it too hard. You want to throw it like that, maybe. And I'll show it in action. Okay, so now I'm going to fly it from up here, and we'll see how it flies. So yeah. Okay, so I got it all adjusted. Wingtips are kind of even. Now I'll fly it. Let's fly it out here. That was pretty good. I'm gonna go get it. Okay, so as you can see in that flight, it kind of just went straight and down until the last second, and then it came up a little. That's because of wingtips. Now I'm gonna fold the wingtips up a little bit more so that it doesn't go down as much. And it might get a longer flight and further distance. Okay, so I folded the wingtips up a little. Now, see how it flies? And it wasn't that much better. So yeah. Okay, so I guess that's the end of the video. I taught you how to fold a really good paper airplane with a locking mechanism. As you can see right there, holds the wings in place so they don't flop around and ruin your flight. And I also taught you how to adjust. And one last thing, you want the wings to be bent up a little. So you want the back to look like that, not like that. So if it's just normal like that, if it tilts, then I'll just keep on tilting and crash down. But if it's like that, it's kind of like a pendulum. It's fine. If it tilts that way, it just goes back up. And I'll demonstrate it to you right here. I'm going to throw it sideways, and it's going to come back up. See? Go back up. All right. Turned it back up. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a couple of things about paper airplanes. That's it.